I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are so great and you are enjoying your days. So, let's start with our activities of this day.
So now we are going to check some spelling rules about simple past verbs. We are going to add ed or d to them. Example, visit, visited, love, loved. If the verb finish with a vowel plus y, we are going to add ed, enjoy, enjoyed. If the verb finish with a consonant plus y, you have to eliminate the y and write ied, like study, study, studieth. If the verb has only one syllable, you have to double the last consonant and add ed, like stop, stopped. These are the activities of this day. The first activity is to open your Uno ebook on page 88. In the first exercise, you will read it and underline the regular verbs in past. In the second activity, you will complete the chart with information about the movie based on a true story about natural disaster, like tsunami or flood or tornado. The last activity is to play Kahoot. So, let's play it.
That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good afternoon.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion.